Get it, chalked up, talking shit, gonna walk up. I gotta keep going up, dog. They talking shit, walk the block, stand up. I gotta go stand up, ain't nobody else stand up like I. But everyone talking like that, dog. I know when I ride, yeah. I'm going in line, dog. I'm going in five, dog. Gotta keep doing this shit. I pull a five, dog. Must be right, dog. Talking for fives. If we got it automatic, then that's how we ride. Trying to get this around. Trying to get this around. Gotta keep going hard because I'm a rider. I'm ghost riding. You can see painting. They talking shit with the digging at the bandit. Fuck that shit. I don't even need to befriend them. How the fuck am I supposed to be a bit pretending? Everybody talking shit when they amended. How the fuck am I supposed to drive some amendments? I'ma make sure that I got commandments. Everyone talking shit about amendments. But hey, we gotta defend it. We gotta keep going hard and rent it. Everybody thinking that they got the money, man, you lent it. I don't even know what they're doing cause they lent it. I need my dentist, dog. You see, and I'm a smile, dog. Extra says. Extra says. That's a motherfucker who fake a smile. The only thing fake about me is my smile, dog. The only thing fake about me is my smile, dog. I'm always sad. I gotta move cause I'm mad. They talking shit, they bad. Man, fuck that shit. I'm going up on your dad, yo. I gotta shoot his brains out cause what you did to me is what you did to me. I really wish that I could change this life, dog. He talking shit with what he talk about a while, dog. Ain't doing like this, dog. I'm going to fight, dog. Try my quest cause I'm on my quest. Ain't nobody gonna stop me cause I know you get. Yeah. School shooter, take two to the chest. Yeah. I know I've died many times in these different lives I'm in. Nobody else gonna stop me, dog, cause I know I win. I win, yeah. I win, yeah. We're the best. Take me to the top. Yeah. I feel like I gotta do a little difference. Everybody talking shit, but they don't know what living is. I don't even know what a villain is, dog. I ain't never seen good or evil. I ain't never ate from the damn tree, dog. I make sure that I'm telling these people so they know they free, dog. John 8:32. That's the way we moving through. Nobody gonna stop us, dog, cause everybody doing it too. I'm flowing seducer, they make sure that he going in there good. Everybody wanna talk about this shit, but ain't never talking about any shook. Yeah, I got shook, dog. Talk shit cause I'm a good dog. I ain't never gonna stop with the shit that I'm doing. My shit I got new, dog. Yeah, cause I'm the ruler. Cause I'm the ruler. I feel like I should change, but everybody talking the same. So that's when I spit. I tell them what it is. I do it for the kids. I'm trying to defend everybody in the hood. Ain't never stopped me cause you know what's good. I'ma keep going hard what I do, dog. I'm doing this shit like should. Take care of your bag, dog, cause ain't nobody watching your 6. They watching my 12. That's the way that I've been, dog. I got bitch. They talk shit, well that's tricks. I ain't never wanted a bitch. I'm telling everybody else wanna do this shit, dog. I'm on a ditch. Yeah, leave your ass up in the ditch. And you're just lifeless, yeah. And you're just lifeless. Was it worth the trying? Yeah. I don't know where you to find it. I took his teeth out. I burn the body up and know we doing these out. I do it these now. Hey homie, you know that we freeze out. All you motherfuckers with the ease out. How the fuck would I get a me's out? I'm just trying to get this shit seed out. Doing this shit for the E's and A's. I'ma make sure that we initiate. Yeah. I'ma cough up, you joke. I'ma make sure that I ain't broke. But you know what? I'ma keep going on psycho. They talking shit, ain't Michael. How the fuck would they understand me? Yeah. How the fuck would they understand me? Oh. They wouldn't understand, so I smoke up. I know they gonna choke up.